Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to find characters frequency in a given string. So what's the meaning? Let me explain you friends. Suppose I have one string, say string str equal to say hello. Okay, you have to find number of characters frequency. Say what's the meaning? How many times H is present? Like only one time. What about E? One time. L two times. O one times. Like that, you have to find characters frequency in a given string. That's it, friends. So, what is the logic I am going to implement? Very simple, friends. Just I am going to take one map like this. I'll show you. Um, I'll take one map, friends. Say map, some m equal to new, and I'll take one hash map. And one more thing, friends. As a key, I'm using character. Character I'll take as a key, and one more thing, as a value, just I'm using integer. That's it, friends. And initially, what is that map? Initially, m equal to empty, friends. So what I will do, first I'll iterate the string. First I'll get h by using caret method. I'll get h, friends. So I'll check whether h is available or not. So h is not available, right? First time we are inserting h value. Then very simple, friends, what I will do, m dot put off like h comma 1, friends. Okay, then second time what will be happen, e will come. Then I'll check e is available or not in the map m. It is not available. First time you are inserting e. Then very simple, m dot put off put comma e comma 1, friends. Then what about l, friends? L you are trying to insert, right? I'll check whether L is inserted or not. L is available or not. L is not available. H and E are available, but L is not available. So first time, what I will do, H dot put off, say L comma 0, friends. Sorry, 1, friends. Next time, what we are inserting L. Time we are inserting L, friends. So what I will do, simply I'll not insert M dot put off L comma 1, friends. I'll get old value and I'll increment value by 1, friends. So already L is there. What is the old value? 1, friends. Now I'll make it 2, friends. Then I'll show you how to do this one as well in the implementation part. Then what about O, friends? Here next time I'm trying to insert O. O is not available. First time you're inserting, right? So no need to do anything. Simply insert O comma 1, friends. Any characters are there? No characters. So I iterated each and every character. So finally I'll display M value, M, friends. What about M, friends? Like h comma 1, sorry, h equal to 1, and e equal to 1, and l equal to 2, and o equal to 1, friends. Like this you will get it. And one more thing, friends, what are the methods I am going to use in string? Just I am using only two methods. What are those, friends? Caret of index, and one more thing, length method also I'm going to use, friends. So what about caret method? If you pass index, it will give you the character, friends. Suppose if you pass 0, you will get h. If you pass 1, you will get e, friends. What about length? Length will give you the number of characters present inside the string. And what about the map? Coming to map, what are the methods I am going to use? Very simple, friends. Just I am using contains key. What is the meaning, friends? H E L O, these are all O. Like I'll by using contains key, we can check whether the key is available or not. If yes, it will give you boolean value. What is the meaning, friends? If the key is available, if the key is available, then it will give you true. If it is not available, it will give you false, friends. And one more thing, I'll use put, friends. By using put, you can insert key and value pair also. And one more thing I'll use, friends, get of object. I'll insert, friends. So object key. If you use get, what will be happen? If you pass object, then it will give you value. What's the meaning? If you pass h, you will get 1 as value. If you pass e, you will get 1 as value. If you pass l, you will get 2 as value. Like that you will get it, friends. So these are the methods I am going to use. And let me go to the implementation part, friends. Friends, I have taken one string. What is the string? Hello. Not only hello, you can take anything, friends. Just I am using hello. And in this, what I am doing, I am using one for loop friends. Why? I want to iterate the entire string. So I integer I equal to 0. Why I am taking 0? String index is starting from 0 onwards. So str, sorry, I less than or equal to, I less than or equal to, you can take it, or less than also you can take it. Str dot length I plus plus friends. So already I'll discuss it. Length will give you the number of characters present inside the str friends. Now what I am using, I am checking if, so you have to take one map also friends. So map I am taking, I already said I am taking character as key and I am taking integer as k. Then m is the map object. So new, I am taking one hash map. Hash map is the implementation of map interface friends. Okay, that's it. Here map is one interface and hash map is implementation class friends. And I'm not creating an object for map interface friends. We cannot create an object for map and I mean interface. What we are doing, we are creating an object for implementation class. That object we are storing into interface reference m friends. So make sure that, still if you are having any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll make a separate video on that friends. Very powerful concept and very important concept as well. And coming to our actual program, actual implementation friends. So now what I am doing, first time I am checking m contains key, which key, str dot caret of I is available or not. If yes, I'll discuss later friends. So if it, assume that m dot contains like h, first time I'm trying to insert h friends. So m contains h, no, right? Then else block will be executed. Simply what I am doing, m dot put of str dot caret of, say 0 is not 0 I friends. So anyway I is 0, right? First time h will be inserted and 1 will be friends. What about next time I becomes 1, right? Then you will get e. Then what I am doing here, I am checking m contains e or not. First time, right, it's not available, and I am inserting e into map friends. So like e comma 1. Third time what will be happen, l you will get it friends. So I am checking m dot contains of l, no, right? Then m dot put of, say, l comma 1 friends. And fourth time what will be happen friends, l m dot contains, yes, already l is available, the value is 1. Now what we are doing, first we have to fetch that value. How to fetch? M dot put of, what is that character, str dot caret of I friends. So value you cannot put 1 because it's not first time. I think already l you inserted, and m map m is already containing l friends. So you have to get the previous value. How to get it? Very easy friends. M dot get method, you have to pass key. What is the key? Str at caret of I. You will get some value, right? For that one I am incrementing by 1 friends. That's it. Okay, next time what will be happen, here str, m dot get of str get of key l, right? M dot get of l, what will be happening, you will get 1 plus 1 2 friends. Next time o friends, o is not available inside the m, then else block will be executed. So m dot put means 0 comma 1 will be executed, I mean o comma 1 will be executed. Now let me, that's it friends, implementation is completed. Let me display the m value, I mean map value I'm inserting. What is that? M. Let me execute this program, whether my logic is working fine or not. That's it friends. E how many times? One time. H how many times? One time. L equal to two times. And O how many times? One time friend. Not only hello, you can give anything, you will get output friends. And thanks a lot friends, thanks a lot for watching my video. And still if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section.